So in this position, white wants to promote to a queen and win the game. But white's king is really far away and black's king looks quite near. But what if I told you there's a way to know whether white can promote or not without having to even calculate? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that all players know that will help you in these situations and where you don't have to calculate at all. So this simple trick is called the square. Let's look first if white can promote. We can promote just in time, but to save you from calculating, we can also draw a square. Starting from the pawn, follow the diagonal of the same colour, and then draw a square. That's the diagonal is the other side of the square. So the diagonal to the end of the board, if the black king is in this square or touching the square, the black king can catch the pawn. But if it's not, like in this position, the white pawn can just promote without even having to move the king. I'll show you some more positions to sort of show you how the square works. So here is another position. Can white promote or not? Well, if we draw the square, we can see that the black king is in the square. So the black king will catch white's pawn. I'll show you now quickly. And yeah, we don't promote. So if the black king's in the square, white can't promote. So here's another position. Can white promote without being caught? Let's check. Let's not calculate, let's draw a square instead. So black's king is in the square, so black will catch the pawn like this. Here is another position. I've added some pawns just to sort of challenge us a bit. So, can the pawn promote without the king helping? Let's check. So let's go g6, takes. Now, white needs to move here. I know it's tempting to take the pawn, but if we take the pawn, black can move into the square because the square is this. And if we took the pawn, black would go like that, and catch the pawn. However, if we didn't capture the pawn, we go here. Now the square is this. The black king can't move into the square, so we can promote. Here is the final position that we'll look at about the square. So, white has just put us in check. What's the simplest way to win this game? Well, if we put our queen there, if they take, we take back, and our king is still in the square. So we will catch the pawn. Okay, I know you're probably worried about this king taking these pawns, but if the king tries to take these pawns, we can promote as well, because here is the square. The king is too far away from the pawn and will not catch the pawn. So thank you for watching. That was just a quick lesson about the square, a really important concept in chess, and will save you so much time and calculation. Every player uses this method in Endgames, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.